Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Brave browser high CPU and memory usage 2025. So first of all, what's Brave browser? Now Brave browser is a browser that puts you first. It is a fast, private and secure web browser for PC, Mac and mobile. If you download it, you enjoy faster, ad-free browsing experience. It is a free open source web browser developed by Brave Software International based on the Chromium web browser. Brave is a privacy-focused browser which automatically blocks most advertisements and website trackers in its default settings. Now, initially released on the 20th of January 2016, it's available for Android phones, through Play Store, and Windows for PC, laptops, through Microsoft App Store. Now, if you use Brave browser, it is 3 times faster, it's lightning fast, safe, and private. It's a web browser with AI, adblock, and VPN, loved by about 65 million users currently. So, you can also use Brave rewards to make money using Brave browser. How? You earn basic attention tokens, also called BAT, for each privacy respecting ad Brave shows you. So a typical engaged person who uses Brave as their everyday browser can expect to earn about, let's say, $5 of BAT, that is basic attention token, a month. This figure will vary, of course, over time and by region, depending on a variety of factors. Now let's get down to the main point. How do we fix the problem? Now let's say you're experiencing a problem of the Brave browser using your CPU a lot. As in the usage of your CPU is too high. Also, it uses a lot of memory. So how do you fix this problem? It's very simple actually. To fix this problem, I'm going to give you detailed step-by-step process on how to fix high CPU and memory usage in Brave browser. The first thing you're going to do is update Brave browser. So check for updates by going to the menu, actually the 3 dots at the top right corner, tap on help and then select about Brave. If the update is available, follow the prompts to install it. The second thing you can do to fix this problem is to disable unnecessary extensions. How? Go to the menu, tap on extensions. Now disable extensions you don't actively use or that might be resource intensive. So close and reopen Brave to see if the performance improves. The third thing you can do is to adjust hardware acceleration. How do you do this? Go to the menu, tap on settings, select additional settings and then select system. Then you need to try and disable or enable hardware acceleration. It's already enabled before, disable it. If it was disabled before, enable it. Now, some users have reported improvement with both settings. Let's see, try it and tell us. The next thing you're going to do, which is the first step, is to clear your browsing data. So you need to go to the menu, select settings, select privacy and security, then you click on clear browsing data. Don't forget to select desired time range. After doing this, you have to check the box for cookies and other site data. Also check the box for cached images and files. So after doing that, which is clearing browsing data, the next step, which is the 5th step, is to enable memory saver. This is the 5th way to fix it. Enable memory saver. Now, how do you do this? Type Brave : // in the address bar and press enter. Next, you have to search for memory saver by using the search bar. Type memory saver. Then once you find it, you have to enable the memory saver flag and restart the Brave browser. Now if that doesn't work, you go to the 6th step, which is using private windows. Now how do we do this? Right click on the Brave icon and select new private window. Once you've done this, you open the same website in the private window and compare the performance. So you're comparing the performance of the Brave browser that was installed and the one that is on the website to see what the problem is, what is causing it to use high CPU and memory. So after that, the next thing you do is to check for conflicting software. That is identifying potential conflicts. How? There are some antivirus software, VPN, or other security programs that interfere with Brave. They might interfere with Brave. So all you have to do is temporarily disable those conflicting software to see if it improves the performance. Now, the next thing you can do is to update your graphics driver. Now, how do we do this? You will visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, e.g., NVIDIA, AMD, to download the latest drivers. Then, follow the instruction to install the updated drivers and go to the next step. If that doesn't work, we have 9 major steps. So this is the 9th and the last step. And what is this? Consider using a different browser. If you don't know this and doesn't still work, consider using a different browser. So don't forget, if the above steps don't resolve the issue, then you need to consider using a different browser like Firefox or Google Chrome. Okay, there's one more thing you can do. You can decide to close unused tabs, which means keep only the necessary tabs open. It will help to reduce memory usage. Limit the background tabs. Too many background tabs can drain resources. Restart the browser regularly to help refresh its processes. You can also use the Task Manager for Windows or Activity Monitor for Mac to identify resource-intensive processes. Now, if none of these steps resolve the issue, you might want to reach out to Brave Support for further assistance. I hope you found this video helpful on how to fix the problem of Brave browser, high CPU and memory usage. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.